We have already done word problems in the class. Today we will do something similar to that. उसी के जैसा ही we will start doing something like that. See in the first picture. First you have to write down this date, August 4. Earlier we used to write July. Now a new month has started. A new month has started. And what comes after July is August. So I have written August and today's date is 4, 2020 classwork. In the first point, there are some flowers given to you. As you all can see, there are some flowers given to you. Let us see how many flowers are there of each color. Of each color. Let us see कितने flowers हैं दोनों colors के. Let us see. You can see two color flowers over there, pink and yellow. Let us see then. There are 1, 2, 3. 3 pink flowers. There are 3 pink flowers. So first line they have written there are 3 pink flowers. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are yellow flowers. How many flowers? There are 4 yellow flowers. Next line what they have written is how many flowers are there in all? How many flowers are there in all? Similarly, we will be doing today. We will be writing these type of sentences. पहले हम अपने पिक्चर को देखेंगे उस पिक्चर में कितने फ्लावर्स के बारे में बात करी है या कितनी बॉल्स के बारे में या कितने शार्पनर्स के बारे में. Then we have to frame similar sort of sentences. ठीक है, फिर से देखें इसी को एक बार और. There are 3 pink flowers. There are 4 yellow flowers. How many flowers are there in all? So what we will learn today? Today we will learn how to write down the sentences for our word problems. Come to the clue box. Come to the clue box. In clue box, they have given you flowers, pink, yellow in all. These are the words that we have to use while making our sentences. While making our sentences. Come to the next number 2. In number 2 point, there are some blue color dots given and red color dots given. As you all can see, please see in your books also. How many blue dots they have given? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So how many blue dots? So we will write down the first sentences. There are 4 blue dots. There are 4 blue dots. Coming to the next sentence. Now, coming to the next sentence. How many red dots they have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, how many red dots? 6 red dots. So, we will write down. There are 6 red dots. And the final question is, how many dots are there in total? In total. Why I have written total? See, come to the clue box now. In clues, they have given you 4 words. Red, blue, dots, total. वो टोटल की जगह पर आपको इन ऑल भी दे सकते थे, टुगेदर भी लिख सकते थे, टोटल भी लिख सकते थे, बट जो भी वर्ड दे हैव गिवन यू इन द क्लू बॉक्स, जो भी वर्ड आपको क्लू बॉक्स में गिवन है, ट्राई टू यूज दोज वर्ड्स ओनली. आज हम वही वाले वर्ड्स को यूज करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Very well. Now coming to the exercise. Now we will do this exercise. Look at the pictures below. You have to look at the pictures below and write an addition story for each. And we will be writing an addition story. We have to make just the sentences like they have already done. We will also be making these type of addition stories. कैसे करेंगे addition story? एक बार फिर से देखते हैं. कितनी रेड कलर की बॉल्स इन्होंने दे रखी है? पहले हम ये काउंट करेंगे. फिर कितनी ग्रीन वॉल्स इन्होंने दे रखी है, हम वो भी काउंट करेंगे। लेकिन हमारा थर्ड वाली जो स्टेटमेंट थी वो डिफरेंट होगी। आर यू ऑल लिसनिंग? हमारी जो थर्ड वाली स्टेटमेंट होगी, यहाँ पर जो थर्ड फाइनल स्टेटमेंट आएगा, ये हमारा डिफरेंट होगा। डिफरेंट क्यों होगा? They were asking us questions, how many dots are there in all? वो तो हमसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे थे, लेकिन हम अपनी थर्ड स्टेटमेंट में क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछेंगे, हम अपनी थर्ड स्टेटमेंट में आंसर बताएंगे। ठीक है, हम अपनी थर्ड स्टेटमेंट्स में आंसर बताएंगे। कैसे बताएंगे हम आंसर? लाइक अब जैसे आपके पास अगर ये फर्स्ट फ्लावर वाले क्वेश्चन को हम कर रहे होते, तो हम यहाँ लिखते देयर आर 7 flowers in all. Let us start doing this first one, then you will all get to know how we will be doing. So, start this first one. How many balls are there? Let us see the clues first. Clues mein they have given you red color, green color, balls and total. So the first statement could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 red balls. Write down everyone. Please start with the capital letter always. And how many green balls do we have? We have 1, 2, 3. So we will write down. There are 3 green balls. I hope this much is very much clear to all of you. In the third statement, अब थर्ड वाले स्टेटमेंट में वी विल नॉट से हाउ मेनी टोटल बॉल्स आर देयर, हम ये नहीं बोलेंगे हाउ मेनी टोटल बॉल्स आर देयर, हम टोटल करके उन्हें आंसर बताएंगे। कैसे? हम लिखेंगे देयर आर 9 balls in total. See, what I have done is now there are total 9 balls. How do I get the answer 9 is when you add 6 plus 3, then you get the answer back is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. In first two sentences, we have to count the number of items mentioned over there. Or you can say the items, the pictures that have been drawn over there in first two sentences. And in the third one, we have to tell them the answer. Like this. Now we will do point number 2. In point number 2, they have given you some sharpeners. Same way, we will be doing that. Count the number of sharpeners. Try to frame the sentences, then I will show you the answers.